Once upon a time, in a small town named Sweetville, lived a little girl named Mia. Mia loved chocolate more than anything else in the world. One sunny day, Mia found a secret recipe hidden in her grandma's attic. It was a recipe for a magical chocolate cake that could make dreams come true. With a heart full of excitement, Mia gathered all the ingredients. She found cocoa, sugar, eggs, and flour. But the most special ingredient was a sprinkle of stardust, which she found in her grandma's old treasure box. Mia mixed the ingredients with love, adding the stardust last. The smell of the mixture was so sweet and magical that it filled the entire house. Mia put the cake in the oven and waited. The whole house was filled with the excitement of the magic that was about to happen. Finally, the cake was ready. Mia blew out the candles on top and made a wish. To her surprise, a shimmering light came out of the cake and filled the room. The next morning, Mia woke up to find a magical land filled with chocolate trees, rivers, and mountains. She was in a world where chocolate was more than just a treat, it was a way of life. Mia spent a wonderful day in the magical world of chocolate, eating as much as she wanted without any worries. But as the sun started to set, she realized that she missed her family and friends back in Sweetville. With a heavy heart, Mia made her way back home. When she woke up, she found herself in her own bed. The magical chocolate cake was gone, but she had the most wonderful dream she had ever had. From that day forward, Mia never took chocolate for granted. She enjoyed every bite, knowing that it could bring magic into her life whenever she needed it. And whenever she looked up at the sky, she could still see the shimmering light from the magical chocolate cake, reminding her of the wonderful dream she had. The end.